Hi, today for the Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll just do with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. So this mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 111 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.